Hello OnePlus fans. Before we dive into the exciting news about OxygenOS 14, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Now let's get started. Did you know that OnePlus has just announced the first OxygenOS 14 Open Beta 1 update for the OnePlus 10R in India? Yes, you heard it right. This exciting update is a golden ticket for the first 5,000 applicants, offering them a chance to experience the new features and luxuries of Android 14 firsthand. This OxygenOS 14 update is based on Android 14 and is set to revamp a lot of the proprietary OnePlus features. We're talking about features like the aquamorphic design, hyperboost, and more. As we speak, this update is currently in the beta testing phase with OnePlus 11 users. OnePlus has confirmed a schedule for the rest of the lineup, but we're still waiting for precise dates. Although the OxygenOS 14 update is currently in beta testing with OnePlus 11 users, no confirmation about when the update will start rolling out to other OnePlus smartphones is available yet. The OxygenOS 14 update is not just a regular update, it completely revamps a lot of the proprietary OnePlus features. Let's dive straight into the details. First off, the OxygenOS 14 is based on Android 14, which means it carries all the luxuries and advancements of this Android version. But what truly sets it apart are the OnePlus-specific enhancements, such as the aquamorphic design and hyperboost. Aquamorphic design brings a whole new look and feel to your device. It's inspired by the fluid and dynamic nature of water, and this design philosophy is evident throughout the user interface. From the shape of the icons to the animations, everything flows smoothly, creating a visually delightful and intuitive user experience. Then we have the hyperboost feature. It's designed to optimize the performance of your device by intelligently managing system resources. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply browsing, hyperboost ensures your device runs smoothly and efficiently, providing a truly seamless experience. But that's not all. The OxygenOS 14 also introduces several brand new features. One of these is the enhanced dark mode, which now offers a wider range of dark shades. This not only reduces eye strain but also saves battery life. Another noteworthy feature is the improved Zen mode. It's been redesigned to help you focus better and reduce distractions. With the ability to customize the duration and access new themes, Zen mode can truly help you find your Zen. And let's not forget about the new work-life balance mode. This feature understands your usage patterns and automatically adjusts notifications and settings so you can focus on what's important, whether it's work or play. Last but not least, there's the new OnePlus Scout. This universal device search feature lets you find anything on your device or the web, making it easier than ever to find what you're looking for. It's clear that this OxygenOS 14 update is set to significantly enhance the user experience. So, whether you're a longtime OnePlus patron or a newcomer to the brand, there's a lot to look forward to with this update. You might be wondering if your OnePlus device is eligible for this exciting update. Well, let's dive right into it. The OxygenOS 14 update will be available for a number of OnePlus devices. If you're the proud owner of a OnePlus 9 or OnePlus 9 Pro, you're in luck. The update is also hitting the OnePlus 9R and the OnePlus Nord 2. But the list doesn't stop there. The OnePlus Nord CE 5G is also included in the roster, as well as the OnePlus 11 5G. And last but not least, the first device to receive this update in India, the OnePlus 10R. So there you have it. If you own any of these devices, you can look forward to the OxygenOS 14 update. With all the new features and luxuries of Android 14, this update is sure to take your OnePlus experience to the next level. So, that's the OxygenOS 14 update for you. Unveiled officially on September 25, 2023, this update is a game changer, offering a slew of new features and enhancements. Based on Android 14, it revamps many proprietary OnePlus features, including the aquamorphic design and hyperboost. Plus, it's introducing some exciting new features to look forward to. The update is currently available for the first 5,000 applicants in India, with OnePlus 11 users enjoying the privilege of beta testing. As for the devices that will receive this update, the list includes OnePlus 9, 9 Pro, 9R, Nord 2, Nord CE 5G, 11 5G, and the 10R. The exact rollout date for all OnePlus smartphones is yet to be confirmed, but rest assured that we will keep you posted. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the OxygenOS 14 rollout. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support means a lot to us, and helps us keep bringing you the latest on all things OnePlus. Stay tuned for more updates on OxygenOS 14, and other OnePlus news. We're excited about what's to come and can't wait to share it with you. Until next time, take care. Remember, we're just a click away, so hit that notification bell and you won't miss a thing. See you in the next video.